Dealing with difficult individuals can be frustrating, but maintaining your composure is crucial. It's essential to remember that intelligence varies, and a person's challenging behavior may stem from traits like stubbornness or close-mindedness, rather than a lack of intelligence. Keep in mind that everyone has different strengths, and low intelligence isn't a choice. Adjusting your expectations can lead to a more pleasant interaction, as not everyone will meet your standards. Focus on the person's positive qualities and try to understand their perspective. This fosters compassion and makes you a better colleague and friend. Avoid engaging in controversial topics and respond to rudeness with kindness. This often diffuses tension. Ultimately, prioritize your emotional well-being by practicing patience and maintaining a polite demeanor, rather than getting drawn into conflicts.